Hey guys, and welcome back. Right, should we have a look at my new little toy? What do you think? Not bad, huh? Traded my other one, and so now I've got a triple black adventure with Sam. So let's fire her up and go and try it out. So it's a nice day for it, and we're going to go for a little run, and it'll be a mix between checking the bike out and making certain I've actually bought the right one, which we know I have. So now I've got a long distance tourer, and then this one will be one of the founders of the wild camping business, and it will be mainly my off-road bike. Now I'm not going to be running the bike with BMW baggage. I'm running the Lone Rider soft bags, and that's it. So here she is, triple black. It's 2021 TFT. The sat nav from Sam at the moment, so I'm going to just stick to one sat nav. Beautiful boxer engine, purrs, revs freely, and is damn good fun. So we're just going to go and take her for a little hop, and then see what fun I'm going to have. And as you can see, man, can it pull. That 1250 engine is sublime. I didn't need another touring bike, but I did need to replace an adventure bike. So that's what we've done. So it's pretty good. She's nimble and she's good fun. So much lighter than Sam is. I mean, everyone complains about the weight of the RS, or the GS I should say, but in comparison to the RT or a K, she's light, but she's so nimble and she's so flexible. The menu system is quite big, so it has a whole range of things that we can do, but we're going to go for enduro. I've gone for torque rather than top speed, and on this level she is beautifully balanced and beautifully set up, and it's damn good fun, I tell you. She only arrived this morning, so this is my nice little run. She's an ex-demo bike, so I got her for a very, very good price, and all we got to do is just get used to riding an adventure bike again. hear that engine roar, you can just feel the power and the pull. And I mean, she is damn good fun. Totally different riding style to Sam. I'm sitting quite high. Actually, I'm sitting very high because this is the high seat version. And I can touch the floor both sides, so I'm not it's not a problem for me. Might be a problem for the girlfriend because she's not that tall. And the pickup is awesome. So my new Sat-Nav 6 is working beautifully, and this bike has all the features, including the SOS home button, heated grips, the lights, cruise control, you name it, it's got the whole lot. The screen feels a little low, so I am getting more wind to the helmet, which in this weather is actually doing me a power of good. Now Sam's having new tyres fitted, so she's in for a 60k service and new tyres. Now there's still life in the tyres, probably about another 2,000, but I'm planning another long trip, and when I exchange tyres, you'll see the photographs of them when I take them and publish them later. But the tyres are still capable of doing more mileage. But what I've done is, because I don't like taking tyres too far past 10,000, and these were up to 10,500, so for me the front tyre could have done more, but the back tyre would have been ready for replacement in about another 1,000 miles, and I'm stupid like that. I only ever replace tyres in pairs. So, am I happy with my new little toy? Oh, hell yes. It is damn good fun. Will I change the tyres for Michelin? Yes. But I'll go for the off-road versions because that's what I bought Katie for. And that's her name, Katie. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through Voberg because I want to take the suspension on this over the cobblestones, and then I'm going to go and take her off-road for a bit. Not a lot, just a bit. But she's running kilometers. So she's a European bike, ULEZ 6 compliant. And one all-round badass bike. Brakes excellent, as you would expect. And the engine is very lusty. It wants to go. I put her on the road mode just to go through Vorburg, because the suspension should actually be quite good, so I'm hoping that I don't get jogged around too much. But this is one beautiful bike. Would I trade Sam for her? No. Would I trade an R1250? Probably, but not the K. The K has got me hooked in ways that no other bike ever has. I mean, KT is going to be good. She's going to be good fun off-road, and that's what she's been bought for. And we're gonna do the off-road properly. So this is a going over cobbled streets. Vorburg is a very cobbled street, so having to put my feet down because of the traffic, but hey, at least I can put my feet down. Saddle's nice and comfortable in this, even in this position, so I'm really happy with this. And it's a good seating position, and the balance from the bike is absolutely perfect. They got the semi-shift pro as well, so that's good. And standing up on the bike, you've got perfect balance all the way through, so you got a good view from being up here and a good view from being sat down in the saddle, so you got the best of both worlds. And as I say, just standing up in the saddle, it wasn't a pull on the handlebars, and then yep, you can semi-shift pro from up here as well, so It's a good position for the foot, and then you haven't got to worry about anything, and you can just lean on the tank, and that gives you a real good easy riding position. So when you are off-road, as the 1250 GS Adventure's always proven, it is the class leader. There isn't a bike for off-road that can touch it. It is the adventure bike. If you ever want an adventure bike, this is the adventure bike. Now I gotta admit, triple black wasn't my favorite or preferred color option, but it actually works quite well. I mean, she does look savage, so from that point of view, I quite like it. And for the price that I got, because it came with 2,000 kilometers on the clock, so it is, although it's a 2022 registered, it's actually a 2021 model. It's one of the later 2021 models. So it's had the software modification to it to upgrade it, so that's pretty good. And as I say, she just pulls like a truck. I mean, to be honest, you cannot complain about an engine that performs like this. And as I say, the brakes and the engine braking are typical boxer BMW performance, and the pickup is instantaneous. I suppose I should go onto my side of the road, but this is one badass bike. You can understand why it is BMW's biggest selling bike.